Good morning everyone, Eugene, EZStudRack. Today's update of this whole Made in America, going Made USA, EZStudRack. So I said yesterday I'm going to have a urethane guy that's coming by that we buy rollers from, and he said, oh, yeah, we'll look at it. So he took one of these, simple piece of plastic, and he came back with a price. And it was $4 each. For those who don't know what EZStudRack, they come in a package of 8. For $20, you get 8 of these. It's a little over a foot each, so you can get about 4 foot 3 inches worth of vertical storage when you put them end to end. So at $4 a piece, my cost, that doesn't include going and picking it up, doesn't include packaging or any of that. 4 times 8 is $32. $32! No, I can't. Urethane's out. Urethane's out. That's what I would consider Mold Guy 3 attempt. Gotta keep hammering, keep hammering, keep hammering. This has gotta happen. It's gotta be. People are doing it. You gotta be able to do it somehow in the US. That's today's update. Stay safe. Buy American, hire American. That's EZStudRack's motto. And it's gonna happen. Again, my inventory's dwindling down. Sales have skyrocketed. I gotta make it happen. I gotta make it happen. It's gonna happen. See you later.